G'day, I'm Stuart from XTREME Clutch, and today we're going to run through our range of products that we offer for the Focus RS Mark III and the ST 2 litre as well. Over here we've got a 240mm single plate, single mass conversion. This particular performance product actually increases the torque capacity quite significantly over the factory clutch, while also reducing the inertia on the back of the crank by up to 20%. This kit is available in both organic friction material for high performance street use, or also a paddle ceramic friction disc if you're going to use it on the track. The other kit that we've got here is our very popular 230mm twin plate. This is available in both ceramic and organic friction material as well. What we've done for 2020 is actually introduced a performance sprung hub that runs between the two discs. What this does is actually reduces the shock loading on the transmission, which will actually prolong the transmission life at higher horsepower. Both kits come complete with all of the hardware required to actually mount them up, technical documents, and include all of the hydraulics as well. New to our range is our braided line that runs straight from the concentric slave cylinder to the hard line on the firewall. What this does is removes the factory rubber line and the flow restrictor that's actually problematic, that sits just before the firewall.